This is the Napoleon Rogue, one of the best trolley barbecues on the Australian market. Here's 5 things for that. All Napoleon Rogues come with a 15-year warranty, and as Napoleon says, even this bolt has a 15-year warranty. The Rogues come in both a stainless steel as well as vitreous enamel. A great thing about the Rogues is they have a super hot searing burner. More than just a wok burner, you can cook your steak on there. Beautiful. More than just for searing, the trivet has 2 levels, so you can still put your pots on there as well. A nice little come-in-handy feature. That side wing folds down, takes up less space in your backyard. The Rogues come in both the stainless steel model and also the vitreous enamel version, but it's only the stainless steel that has the back burner for rotisserie cooking.